Today I will explain about type parameter and instant parameter. So what is the difference of these two and how we can able to use this one into our families. So when you create the families, so that time we are using these two parameters. So I will explain about that two parameters, how we can able to use that parameter. Okay, right. So first of all, as usual, I can go to find out the file new families. So in the family, for example, I will choose generic model. So this generic model, so it's open now. Here I can choose uh, the reference plan. Here I can draw one reference plan here. Here I can draw the another reference plan here. Even here also I can create the reference plan here. Okay. So after that, I can go to choose annotation. I can choose these two, make it equal, and I can go for the value. Even same here also, I can make it equal and I can use the value. I can go back to my left view. Here, I can create another reference plan. I can go to find out my value. Right? Okay. So here, I can go back to my reference plan. First, I can choose this one. I can create the label. So I can create the width. So I can go for W1, create the name. So when you choose that one, here you can able to find out. So it's showing the type. Okay. So type, I will leave this one like a type family, type parameter. Right. So this one also, I can go to create the label like a length. So this one also I can make it like type. Okay. Right. So after that, I can go back to my left view. Here I can choose the label like a height. So I will choose the instant parameter. Okay. Right. Now I can apply here. Here I can go back to my reference plan again. I can choose the reference plan again. Okay. Choose the create, execution. Here I can choose the pick line. Or I can use a rectangular. I can draw like this. After that, I can go to choose AN, align. I can lock this one. Right. Okay. So now I can use it this finish mode. Again, I can go back to my left. I can lock this. Right. Okay. So when I go to choose in 3D view, you can able to see this is look like a shader. So now I can go for to find out this family type. Here you can find out this H. It's showing default. Why? I already create like a reference. I create like a instant parameter. Okay. So here also I can make it like 1200 and 1200 like this time. So this is the parametric family. So now it's changing. So I can go back to my new project. Here I can choose the architectural template. Okay. Now I can go back to my family. I can load into project. So I can choose the project 6. So this is my new project. So I can place my family here. So I can just select 3D view. Okay. See, for example, when I select this one, you can find out my instant parameter is showing here. See, for example, this block, I can make it 600 or 500. See, only this one I can able to access. Again, this one I can go for 1000. Look like this. This one, I leave it like 1500 and I can able to use this one like 2000 ml. So now you can able to understand these things, the how this instant parameter is working on. Okay. So we can able to adjustable our height or width or anything as per our drawing conditions. Okay. See, for example, when you work on the manholes, mostly you have to use this instant parameter because the cover level and inverter level it's always changing. So you should be take care about this. Instant parameter is better. Okay. So this is a one example for instant parameter. Okay. So you can easy to understand how the instant parameter is working. Right. So anything else? See again, I can go back to choose my 3D. I can go back to my family type. Here it's already H is instant. So in case you have to change any type parameter or instant parameter, you can just select, go to edit parameter. Here you can change. See, for example, I'll change this L1 or this one also. Yeah, apply. Okay. Again, load into project 6. Now override. So I can go back to my 3D. So when I select this one, now you can find out the two instant parameters. For example, I can go for this one 600. So you can see how I can able to select this one like this way. Okay. So I hope you understand about what is the type parameter, what is the instant parameter. So we have to use these two parameters in our families as per our design. So mostly we are using these two parameters. Mostly we are using in the type parameter. But anyway, as per our drawing design, we can go for the instant parameter also. Okay. Thank you so much.